Hello, I saw your question in the email. You're told Z varies jointly as W and Y. So that says Z equals some constant K times WY. If it mentioned inversely, then it would be K over WY, but it doesn't mention that word. So it's direct variation. So Z varies jointly as W and Y, so Z equals KWY. Then also you're given, when Z is 525, W is 15 and Y is 7. So I substitute in those three values for Z, W, and Y. That product's 105. Divide both sides by 105 and I'm able to find out K. Then I plug in K into the original equation here and Z equals 5YZ. Then you're asked to find Z when W is 60 and Y is 7. So I put in those two values for Y and W, and I get 2100. Hope this helps.